Hi everyone. Today, we'll show you how to install the Twixtor plugin for After Effects. This is a powerful tool for creating smooth, slow-motion effects. Open your browser and type Twixtor download in the search bar. Once the results load, click the Twixtor link from Revision Effects. From there, we need to scroll down to the After Effects section and find the Downloads area. Now we just need to select the Windows download if we are on Windows. If we are on a Mac, just click the Mac option instead. The file is now downloading. Let's wait for it to finish. Once it's done downloading, we can move on to installing it. We need to locate the downloaded file on our computer and click Done. There's the Twixtor file. Now we just need to extract it to get the installer. Here's the installer. All we need to do is double-click it and wait for it to load. The Twixtor setup window is now open. We just need to follow the prompts to complete the installation. And that's it. That's how we install the Twixtor plugin for After Effects. Now, we can start creating high-quality slow-motion effects in our projects.